Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up your Netgear EX6170 Wi-Fi range extender. Whether you're expanding your Wi-Fi coverage at home or in the office, this easy-to-follow guide will have you connected in no time. Let's get started. Begin by unboxing your Netgear EX6170 Wi-Fi Extender. Inside the package, you'll find the extender itself, a detailed quick start guide to assist with setup, and the power adapter. Now, let's proceed with the installation process to enhance your Wi-Fi coverage. Insert your Netgear EX6170 extender into a nearby power outlet, preferably close to your existing Wi-Fi router. Allow a few moments for the power LED to illuminate in green, signifying that the extender is powered on and ready for the setup process to begin. Next, on your computer, smartphone, or tablet, navigate to the Wi-Fi settings and locate the network labeled Netgear_EXT. Connect to this network to establish a link with the extender, enabling you to access the setup page and begin the configuration process. After connecting to the Netgear_EXT network, open a web browser on your device and enter the URL www.mywifi.ext.net. This action will direct you to the Netgear Installation Assistant, which will provide step-by-step guidance to complete the setup process. Follow the on-screen prompts to extend your existing Wi-Fi network. Select your home Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and the extender will begin boosting the signal. You can also rename the extender's Wi-Fi network if you like. Once the setup is complete, unplug the extender and position it approximately midway between your router and the area where you want to enhance the Wi-Fi signal. Allow the extender a few moments to establish a connection and wait for the LED to glow green, indicating a strong, stable link. Now, test your newly extended network by connecting your devices to the new Wi-Fi signal. Verify the signal strength and performance in various areas of your home or office. This will ensure you have improved and reliable Wi-Fi coverage where you need it most.